Everybody, in this video we're going to be going over the Whatnot Seller Academy / the onboarding. So if you're new to Whatnot and just want to start selling, this is a great guide on through the exact onboarding process using the official Whatnot Seller Academy. So let's break it down step by step so you can go from scheduling your first show to shipping your first sale. So first of all, when you get the Whatnot Seller account, you're going to have something greeted like with this right here. And the first thing you need to do is schedule a show. This is where you give your live stream a title, pick the time and date, and upload a eye-catching thumbnail. Think of it as your digital storefront, so making it stand out, a strong title, and a clean image that will bring in more view once your show goes live. So you want to make sure you have a seller account. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably do, and you want to go to the shows right here. It's located here in the left side menu. Click shows, and then there's going to be different options. So if you're on mobile, you can just directly stream from your phone, and there's already an inbuilt streaming service. But if you're on PC or desktop, then you're gonna have to go to OBS tools. But first let's show you how to schedule a show first, because I think that's gonna be the easiest thing to show you before I do any of that. So you schedule a show, so then you want to name your show, and the show date, the show time, repeats, and the category and subcategory. The only thing that's mandatory is, I believe, the show and the category and the show date and time. And sometimes there's a subcategory they have to do inside of the category. But from there, you just add a thumbnail. You know, this is kind of a test show. I actually made a video on that, but you can just put it on, and then once you schedule the show, you'll be able to, for example, I'll just name this Pokemon or whatever. It really doesn't, for the sake of just showing you a test show, and you can see, I'll put that, I'll schedule the show. And then once you have this show scheduled, you can open the show. And then right here is the way to preview the show. You can see everything that's going on, and you can even add moderators if you want to. So if you have the show running, and then you can have there's right here, you can see chat, and they can, once someone joins your private show, so you can just invite them. You can copy the link right here. So make sure your stream's not private. You can add them as moderator right here. And from there, let's go over adding the listings, because the next thing on the Seller Academy, if I go back to home, see adding listings, it says learn how to add product listings to schedule show and whatnot. So you can go here, and then you can go to shop, which is, it should be no, it's already right here, but if you're on mobile, it should say shop. Then you go to you go to any of these. So if you're trying to do an auction giveaway, you just go there, because listing can apply to different things. So if you're trying to just give a giveaway or an auction, or try and just directly put a listing, click buy now and just click add. And if you want to create a temporary listing, that's fine, or you create like something that's longer lasting, you can create a quality listing. And then from there, once you have a quality listing, you can just put in the title. So it's like kind of the same thing as the show, except you just name the title. And I believe there's no you can actually put a thumbnail for the listing right there. And then it's really easy. So you just upload the pictures in your item description, set the starting price, and assign them to the show. You just schedule and make sure they're as clean, as honest as buyers know. And next, let's talk about sharing your show. So next thing on the Whatnot Seller Academy is sharing your show. And sharing your show is really cool when you score a crowd, they say. So you just click right here. It's really easy. It's on the top right, and you just click copy. Make sure your stream isn't private. Like I said, again, you can use this live show link across your social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, you name it. And this will help you bring in views before you even go live. And the next part is, like I said, I'll go over, let me go back to stream shows right here. OBS tools, you just follow these instructions, because it's a little bit different than streaming with the stream key on like YouTube or anything, because you have to like set up the WebSocket server password. And if you go here, like, you can just follow these instructions right here. Just make sure you just click OBS tools, and they have very good instructions, and it's easy. And they even have a vertical canvas set up to make your stream more mobile friendly. And don't worry, this step is optional. You can just go live directly from your phone. That's fine. And then when it's time to go live, head into the It's Showtime section, or go here, or click Edit Show, or just or go here and just 1 second, click Start Stream, right? And this is where you learn the ins and outs of hosting a show, Whatnot show, like when to talk, how to run your auctions, how to keep your viewers engaged, a great host that can boost sales and bring in repeat buyers. And you can stand out and add sweeteners. So once you're confident in hosting, look into how to make your show stand out and even more visual. So you can use visuals, creative backdrops, or even themed events. Then you can add sweeteners. These are like giveaways, discounts, or not discounts, but like extra rewards for the viewers. That's a great way to increase viewer retention and make your show more exciting. And yeah, you can promote your show to get even more traction. So they offer like built-in promotional tools. But yeah, I can't cover everything in like a 5-minute video, but the Seller Academy is right there, and hopefully I got you started. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe for more content. I'll see you later.